Introduction. HTML5 introduces new elements and attributes for modern website usage. Meta tags provide structured information about the HTML document. They are used by browsers, web servers, search engines, and other web services. Understanding meta tags. Meta tags are text snippets that describe a page's content but do not appear on the page itself. They are invisible to visitors, but recognized by search engine crawlers. Meta tags are placed inside the head tag of the HTML document and use attributes to carry information. Types of meta tags. Charset meta tag specifies the character set of the HTML document. Viewport meta tag controls the viewport's layout on mobile browsers. Description meta tag, used by search engines to understand the web page content. Keywords meta tag tells search engines the topic of the page. Tips and tricks. Place meta tags inside the head element. Always specify a charset meta tag in the head element. Use the viewport meta tag for responsive design. Keywords meta tag is largely ignored, but the description meta tag is useful for SEO. Common error-prone cases. Missing meta tags. Not including necessary meta tags can result in improper rendering. Incorrect content in meta tags. Incorrect or irrelevant content can lead to poor search engine rankings. Conclusion. Meta tags play a crucial role in HTML5, from rendering to improving visibility on search engines. Understanding their purpose and correct usage can improve web pages' performance and SEO.